the final product. So, we're out here barbecuing. I got some chicken that I marinated overnight. Has some beer in there, some other secrets in there. Got my sauce. If you can guess what sauce this is, good luck. And if you know it, then you know it. But if not, that is my secret. This also, if you know it, you know it, but I use a certain one. I got the gas grill. I need to clean it up. I really don't like gas grills, but I'm more of a charcoal person. But you know, we're out here. We're not allowed to use any type of fire outside, which is understanding with all the fires. And I got some apple wood chunks, so I'm gonna put in here and smoke up those chickens. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Real quick, these are the wood chunks that I'm going to be using to smoke. You don't really smell the apple, but once it smokes, yeah, I mean, you're good. And what's cool about this is that you buy a pack, and really, it's not, you don't like throw a whole bunch in there and you want to see white smoke. You want to see little smoke, but you want it to be consistent. So you just put it down there or under the tray, you know, let it burn a little bit, and you let it smoke. Okay, we're back with the barbecue. I'm just gonna, gotta do a couple more. Yeah. There we go. Flip that bad boy. He's burning up, baby. He's burning up. Got a little first-person action right here. And yeah, these look fun. These are most likely the ones that are cooking up fast. So we're gonna come to this knob, and I'm gonna fix that right now and set this temperature down. So as you can see, because this is grease, it's causing the fire to rise more. So you just gotta watch it. You gotta watch it. See how the back ones are not affected? Oh, look. So the back ones are not affected because they're not giving out too much grease. But the skin on these guys, they are greasing it up. So we just put in ones that are pretty fresh still and not too crispy like this one. Put them on there. Get the fresh ones right there. Put them down. It's usually, I don't know what's up with these grills, but it's usually the bottom one that always gets, you know, all super hot all of a sudden. and then the back one just stays normal for some crazy reason. But yeah, do that. Keep it steady. You want to check these back ones though, because they may not be like all fired up, but they're still cooking with like some heat. So you just gotta check on them. You know, just check on them. Woo. Now that they're all seared, which what I do is I sear them in the beginning, you know? I sear them in the beginning. I make sure the skin outside is already a little blistery. Not burnt, but blistery, so that the juices get trapped inside. And then after that, you smoke them and you cook them under low heat. You know, they look like they want to get sauced, so I'm probably going to sauce them right now. Okay, little update. They are smoking right now. Yeah. Looking pretty nice. I'm not going to disturb them, but we're about, I would say, maybe 10 minutes in. And yeah, we're 10 minutes in. And we have about maybe another good 1.5 hours left. Okay, so I would call this like the very early phase. They're starting to smoke. The outside's starting to cook. The inside is still raw. It doesn't look like it, but it is. You just wait for a bit and just sauce them up. And yeah, and we just wait. I'm gonna pour some sauce here. There are other ways you can pour sauce to make it more like effective, but right now I'm not trying to make a lot of mess with dishes and all that, so just sauce it up. The sun's going away because, well, it is October right now, and we are in the forest, so there's a lot of trees blocking the sunlight. Yeah, a lot of people like to use mops, so like barbecue mops, to sauce their products. So I'm just using what I have, and that is my pink little brush. Yeah, so the sauced up, back and front, you close it. This is a little piece of black. I don't know if you can focus. That right there is the actual wood chunk. It's smoking right now, nice and slowly. On my journey of, barbecuing, I've had a couple of friends stop by, such as this lovely hornet and a couple, well, more than a couple more. When you're barbecuing out here, you're gonna expect a lot of hornets, insects, especially animals, to come out that you wouldn't expect. It's just the natural process of things. You don't mess with them. You're just one with nature. That's how it is. That's how it should be. You're not listening, man. The final product. You guys all good?
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
Dude, they actually stay warm. Why is this you challenge?